Gonna work on this Sony ILCE-7M4, and the problem with this is it's taken a hit and damaged the on-off switch and the shoot button. So we got a new top cover assembly. They come sold complete with that particular part, which is good. And we'll swap this around. Okay, got the top cover out. Now to swap all those little bits and pieces, pop them into there. Slowly getting there, a few more pieces, then pop all those back onto the new one. The old one's out, I've stripped it and put it all onto the new one. We'll pop that back onto there and put all the pieces back together and test it out. Got it all back together, switch it on. That's what it's supposed to do. Go through the settings up the top. That's B, A, S, auto on, that button works, that button works. C2, button works, it responded. That button, the record button works. Shoot button, that's good. We'll go from camera mode to video camera mode, that works. And then to S and Q. S and Q is set on the display. And back to camera mode. Open auto, switch it off, works perfect. It's all good to go. I'll give it a little bit of a clean, contact the customer and let them know it's ready to go.